Hello everybody, welcome to Rajalakshmi's Concept Clear classes. Today we will discuss about imbibition. What is imbibition? When we keep a dry seed inside water, then after some time it swells. Similarly, a piece of log or a piece of wood when kept in water, this also swells. And you may notice that in rainy season there is sticking of wooden doors and windows. This is also due to swelling of these doors and windows. These are the examples of imbibition. So, the swelling of the cell colloids or cell material due to absorption of water or water vapor is known as imbibition. And the substance which imbibe water or which absorb water is known as imbibants. Imbibition is a special type of diffusion because here the water movement takes place along the concentration gradient. For example, in dry seeds, there is almost no water. So, when dry seeds are placed in water, the water enter into the seed due to endoosmosis. So, this imbibition is also a type of diffusion. Two conditions are necessary for the process of imbibition. First, there must be diffusion pressure gradient between the imbibant and water molecule. So, when we keep a dry seed in the soil, the dry seed have no water or the water potential of the dry seed is equal to 0 and the water potential of pure water is maximum. So, the water enter into the seed due to endoosmosis and the seed swells. And the second condition is that there should be some affinity between the imbibants and water molecule. For example, the carbohydrates, proteins present inside the plant cell, either living or non-living, they have strong affinity towards the water molecule, and inside a dry seed there is a large amount of these cell colloids, that is carbohydrates, proteins, etc. are present. So the dry seeds absorb water easily. Due to imbibition, a pressure is developed inside the imbibants known as imbibition pressure. So due to imbibition, a pressure is developed inside the imbibants known as imbibition pressure, and the magnitude of the imbibition pressure is very high. For example, in dry seeds, the magnitude of this imbibition pressure when it absorbs water, the magnitude of imbibition pressure is about 1000 atmosphere. So this process is used in prehistoric period. The people keep a dry log in the crevices of rocks to split it to form soil. They keep the dry log in the crevices of the rocks and then sprinkle water. The log swells and exert a pressure on the rocks so that the rocks can split for the formation of soil. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.